So coming into London session, I was bearish. I wanted to see price retrace into this 15-minute PD array. Once we actually done so, I went down to the lower time frame to actually wait for this SMT to confirm. Once it was confirmed and we swept out these highs, we created further SMT, and we actually created another form of SMT. So we actually created SMT just here. GU actually swept out the Asian highs while EU didn't. Now for my entry model, I was waiting for an inversion at this fair value gap here, as well as a change in state of delivery. We inverted this fair value gap. We haven't got the change in state just yet until now. Now my entry was a little bit lower because we had spread and commission, so I didn't get tapped in right at the market, but market entered this, and then shortly after we traded lower, but we had a price retraced, nearly stopped us out. It was very close, and then we started to trade a little bit lower. Now my targets were end of day drawn liquidity were these low resistance lows to the downside, but I was targeting this -2 level at these swing lows, TP1. So drawing liquidity at these lows, and as you can see, it's a clear 4-hour power of 3 plus market maker sell model. So we're in on this trade, and then we actually tap into this -2 level. Now I wasn't able to close out my trade here. We just rejected it, and rejected it straight away. Then price came back up, and it actually stopped me out at break even. So I had my stops moved to break even once we were about here. I unfortunately didn't make any money from this trade, but I had proper risk management. Whereas if I did not move stops to break even, I would have been stopped out and lost money on this trade. So it was a good trade, but I just wasn't able to close out at this low here. But at least I did use proper risk management and save myself from taking a loss.